say that the most important risk factor for a preterm birth is a history of preterm birth in a previous pregnancy. Also, among others, are hypertension, infections, or serious medical conditions. Ang psychological and physical stress ay maaari ding magbunga ng premature birth. Dito sa Perpetual Health Medical Center Las Piñas, mayroon tayong mga obstetricians na may kakayahan upang magsagawa ng risk screening at close monitoring ng mga buntis na mataas ang tsansa na manganak ng mas maaga kaysa sa due date or ang tinatawag na preterm birth. Ang ating hospital ay may pasilidad upang malaman kung ang isang pasyente ay at risk. Ito ay ang pagsukat ng cervical length o ang haba ng tinatawag na sa Tagalog na kwelyo ng matres. Available po ito sa ating Women's Health Center. Also, there are laboratory tests available such as Group B Streptococcus rectovaginal swab, urine culture to check for infection so as to minimize perinatal morbidity. Kung ang isang buntis ay nagdududa kung pumutok ang kanyang panubigan, mayroon din po tayong specific examinations and laboratory tests para sa ganitong kondisyon. Ang ating mga obstetricians ay may mga kaalaman din po sa mga sumusunod. Una ay ang pagsasagawa ng mga procedures kung may finding po na maiksi ang cervix sa ultrasound, gaya ng cervical cerclage or pessary insertion. Pangalawa ay ang pagbibigay ng karampatang mga gamot upang mapigilan ang premature birth. We administer medications to enhance lung maturity and brain protection for the fetus so as to mitigate the neonatal complications at the NICU. Our labor rooms are complete with facilities to closely monitor the mother as well as the fetus in utero. These are our electronic fetal monitors, bedside ultrasound machine, and laboratory support for urgent tests. We have doctors who are present 24/7 who can stay with the patients for close monitoring. Now, in the event of a preterm labor, we encourage a multidisciplinary team approach. So, together with the obstetrician is a high-risk pregnancy specialist, the neonatologist, anesthesiologist, and internist if the patient has a serious medical condition. Our delivery room, operating room nurses, and our NICU nurses are alerted ahead of time for ample preparation. Now, during the birth, our NICU team headed by the neonatologist with the NICU nurses and residents are already on standby to provide immediate specialized care for the preterm baby. Bilang obstetricians, naiintindihan po namin ang hirap na maaaring pagdaanan ng mga premature babies ng kanilang mga magulang at pamilya. Dahil dito, mariin naming inaalagaan at ginagabayan ang aming mga pasyente upang maiwasan ang panganganak ng premature. Parati kong sinasabi sa mga pasyente na ang matres o ang bahay bata is the best incubator. However, in the event of a preterm labor and delivery, please do not hesitate to seek immediate consultation here at Perpetual Health Medical Center Las Piñas, and our team is very willing and capable of taking care of these mothers and their babies.